Good afternoon. I don't know how much all of you are aware about TCIL, Telecommunication Consultant India's Limited, but we have done quite a few work on the telemedicine, teleeducation, and the other things. And the project is live and running, so I will give you some examples of that. Something about TCIL. It's a wholly owned Government of India enterprise. It was set up by the Department of Telecommunication in 1978 to share the Indian expertise in the field of telecom globally. An ISO company, and we have operated in more than 66 countries, in which 47 is in Africa, 3 in SHARC countries, and 16 Middle East and Asian countries. Currently provides consultancy and undertakes turnkey projects. We have, in fact, specialized in the turnkey projects from concept to commissioning in the field of telecom, IT, telemedicine, teleeducation, civil, and architecture. Consistent track record over a period of time. These are the range of services we offer, right from the feasibility studies to design, engineering, project management, supervision, network planning, operation and maintenance, turnkey project implementations, training, manpower support, managerial support. lot of things related to telecom areas, but the more relevant is that telemedicine is one of the area, and teleeducation, CME, continuing medical education, is one of our now core competence in implementing this system. These are the list of the countries which we have operated upon, the list of countries in the Africa, the Europe and America, and the Asian countries. Right now, our projects are live in all the 48 African countries. We have implemented the system, and this is live and running. This is the turnover of TCIL. This year we have done around 850 crores. And out of that, this could be of some interest, that telemedicine and e-learning projects, we have this sort of things we are doing. Some of the credentials for the telemedicine. We have a domain expertise and experience for providing end-to-end telemedicine services, covering the whole design, supply, installation, testing, commissioning of the telemedicine network, supply and installation of variety of medical equipments normally required at a self-contained telemedicine center. Then the provisioning of the telemedicine services and the whole operation and maintenance of the network and the medical equipments. We have executed and are executing a large-site telemedicine project, and we have actually set up and run the telemedicine services, and we have agreement with the top-ranking super specialty hospitals in India and Africa. These are some of the track record of the TCIL that, okay. Some experience in the telemedicine. The first we have implemented in the Ethiopia, which was a pilot project for the telemedicine and teleeducation. Then the SHARC telemedicine network, Pan-Africa e-network project, and then Encore telemedicine network. These are all Government of India sponsored project which we are doing. The Ethiopia pilot project was given by the Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India. The contract value was around $2.12 million US, and there were 2 centers in Ethiopia. and telemedicine setup, one was India. That was a pilot project before going for the whole Pan-Africa project. And when this was executed successfully, then the whole other project was done. These were the name of the centers, the hospitals, and these were the areas of the pediatric cardiology, adult cardiology, and radiology. The connectivity was over the IPLC, MPLS circuits. These have been the SHARK pilot project. This is Bhutan, Nepal, and Afghanistan. Again, it has been given by the Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India. The contract value is again 9.77 crores. And the number of centers proposed in this value is 9. The e-network project consists of following hospitals: the Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences, and again the area serves is cardiology, echocardiology, radiology, orthopedics, and neurology. And at these countries, the projects are under commissioning: Bangladesh, Maldives, and Pakistan. And this is the configuration of the SHARK e-network countries. This is the network of the SHARK e-network. This is the Pan-Africa e-network project, which we have implemented, contracting around 542 crores, which covers the telemedicine center of 70 and 12 super specialty hospitals in India, 53 countries in Africa. Out of that, in 48 countries, these have been covered. This is the whole network, and this whole system is live, up and running. This is the telemedicine setup at each patient locations. Everywhere it has been made. In every center, set of equipments have been given. These are the Pan-African e-network projects. The details have been given. The 43 patient and hospital details are there. These are the continuing medical educations. At least this is 1,700 sessions. Every week, 70 to 80 sessions are being done in English and French. Teleconsultation is being held. These are the actual which has happened up to the 30th of October last month on this network. These are some of the snapshots of all the things are happening. This is the latest project which is going on, OncoNet project, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 60 centers are project, and these are some of the centers are being commissioned right now. The Chandigarh, Bhatinda, etc. This is the equipment setup at OncoNet site. This is the architecture we have proposed. In this way, the whole turnkey solutions have been implemented for the telemedicine project in these countries, and these are live, up and running. But of course, as Dr. Ashwin has told, the affordability is a point. All these projects are funded by Government of India, so it has been done. But otherwise, it has to be made affordable for the common masses to be penetrated. Thank you very much.